Friends, before starting the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon next to it, and select all to receive all notifications. Similarly, please type "this video is awesome" in the comment section below, friends. So hi friends, my name is Ganesh, and you are watching KG Technical YouTube channel. Friends, let's talk about the applications we need. I will show you how to hide all of them with just a single click, friends. Like this, many people use some personal applications and they find it very difficult when they want to hide them. Instead of that, there are some features built into our mobile itself. By using them, we can hide all the applications we need directly on our mobile, right inside the dialer pad with a single click. Like this, you can see here that I have opened the dialer pad from here. After opening it, now you can see that I will type a code, bit and type out 43 hot cabin 40. As soon as you type the hash, you can see here, every application related to our stock has opened automatically. If you want, you can use them directly from here. Like this, be it Facebook or anything else, I have opened WhatsApp from here. In this way, you can hide all the apps you like directly in the dialer pad. This is a wonderful feature. Now, where can you find this feature? I will show you the step-by-step process on how we can hide the apps we need and how it works. Please watch the video until the end without skipping anywhere, friends. So why the delay? Let's start our topic. Friends, if you want to hide your favorite apps in your dialer pad, first of all, you need to go to your mobile settings option. After going there, you will see many types of options in it. In this, there will definitely be a setting named security and privacy in every mobile. In that case, go into that. After going in, if you scroll down a little bit, there will be an option here. You can see here, use this option named Hide Apps. By using it, you can hide the apps you like with just a single click. Simply click on this option and enter your mobile password. After entering it, it will open automatically for us. Once it is opened, since we need a code for our dialer pad at the start, it is enough if we generate a code. You will see a settings gear icon at the top here. Click on it. After clicking, first of all, what you do is there will be a setting here named Change Access Code Name. Since we need this in a dialer pad, you have to type the code of your choice from here, plus you must create it starting with a hash. I have entered the hash again. Now you can see that I have simply set it up. The moment I clicked it, our dialer pad code was set automatically. Once it is set, you can see which apps you want to hide from here. For example, I want to hide Facebook. It was hidden automatically, and along with that, I can hide many other types of applications from here. You can see it here. It could be Gmail. Every single application that you like, you can hide each and every one of them from here. You can see it here. It could be WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Misho, or even YouTube. Along with these, I am hiding every single application from here. I will show you live. You can see video system here. You can see Truecaller here. And similarly, any application you like. I'm not talking about just one or two. Whatever you like, whatever you need. It could be Misho. I have hidden every single one from here. You can see it live. Even if you try to look for these applications, they won't appear anywhere. That's the level of this trick. You can see here, if you want, you can also hide your contacts directly from here. There is Chrome browser. I want to hide Chrome browser. So you can see that if we click like this, everything gets hidden automatically. You can see that almost everything like WhatsApp, YouTube, Truecaller, Facebook, Misho, Chrome has been hidden, right? So now you can see that even if we try to look for those applications, they won't be visible anywhere at all. To access them, you must open your dialer pad and type that code from here, #00 #0. Hash. You can see here that every application we hid is now automatically appearing directly on our screen. If you want, you can use them directly from here. This is how you can hide apps of your choice directly in your dialer pad. And whenever you need them, you can easily bring them out and use them. Friends, thanks for watching Jai Hand.